37.
Put your hands in the air! Fuck, you got me! God damn it!
King the 04, I am shot, but I'm up. Shots fired, shots fired! Roll your nest, up the camp! Clear. Alright, put the tourniquet on me. That's fair. Units get to 13 and 04 now. Get behind the car, get behind the car. Yeah, we need an ambulance. We got to flush her down.
I'm bleeding like a son of a bitch.
That's clear, that's clear.
Suspect. Put your hands in the air! Oh, fuck! Fuck, he shot me, god damn it! Officer shot. $13-04, I am shot, but I'm up and moving. God.
Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired, shots fired. Roll your mess.
Hey! Tourniquet, tourniquet, tourniquet. 13-04. Alright, putting the tourniquet on me. God damn it! Go get him! Get behind my car, get behind the car. I'm bleeding like a son of a bitch. God damn. Tourniquet my ass. Here. Alright, here. Tie that shit up on me. Yeah. Go high. Yep, yep. Oh, here he is. I bet. 13-04, hold there.
Southeast.
Put your hands in the air! Put your hands in the air! Fuck, you got me! God damn it! Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired, shots fired! Roll EMS, suspect down! Hey, I got a tourniquet!
Alright, putting the tourniquet on me. That's clear. You need to get to 13 and 04 now.
Get behind that car, get behind the car. Yeah, we need an ambulance. We got officer down. I'm bleeding like the son of a bitch.
That's clear, that's clear.
Tourniquet my ass. Here. Alright, here. Tie that shit up on me. Yeah. Go high. Yep, yep.
Hey, who's got glove up? Who's got gloves?
I am.
All right, we need one more with gloves.
One more with gloves?
Whoa, 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 whoa. We need one more with gloves.
I got it.
Move up with the shield. Whoever's got gloves is going to detain him. Mendez, when we start moving, lower your gun, please.
I got it.
All right. Yes, just move it out of the way. All right. You're not clear for now. All right, we got 2 people on gloves.
Yeah.
Behind you.
Detain him, I'll grab the gun.
Cover. All right.
Fine, yeah, detain him.
Yep. Move it up. Coming up on the right end. Don't move! Don't move! Do not move! Do not move!
I'm just gonna kick it.
Yep, yep. Hey, we're gonna move gun out. Step up, step up, step up.
All right.
Do not move, do you understand me?
Yeah.
We're taking the suspect into custody right now.
Looks very close, man.
Alright, got it.
Alright, look at. Is he alive or what are we doing?
Roll him over. Hey, sorry. Glove up.
Huh?
I got gloves. I got it. Here, take my rifle. I got it. Roll him on his side. I'm gonna cut his shirt off. Roll him over. Hold on. I'm gonna cut his shirt off. Hey, pat his waistband. Get his waistband.
Yep.
Get his waistband. Search him real quick. Get his pockets. Let's check up on him.
Behind.
Throw his stuff out the side. Hey, give us light over here. Give us light. Slow down. We're good.
Yeah, block. Go back and block that whole intersection. Hey, Post, do you have a med pack?
I got it on me.
You got one? All right.
I'll roll it out.
Ready?
Yep, are we ready to move? Move it up. Coming up on your right, Emery.
All right.
Don't move! Do not move!
I'm just gonna kick it.
Yep. Hey, we're gonna move gun out. Cuff up.
Get him.
Do not move, do you understand me?
We got him.
We're taking the suspect into custody right now.